In this video, I'm going to talk about specifically about the one property. I wanted to see how is the investment return during 20 years. My name is Omid Mostafavi, real estate broker with Remax Realtron, Omar Real Estate Group. The duration time is 2001 to 2023, almost 22 years. So the buyer bought the property in Newmarket, Ontario, 2001 for $330,000, 4-bedroom house, 3 washroom and unfinished basement. The buyer of the property kept the property for 8 years, and he didn't sell property maybe in 1 or 2 years. Usually when you sell the property in short term, maybe you lose the money. Even especially in 2007 and 8, the market, it wasn't very good in real estate market. So he sold the property in 2009 for $529,000, almost 60% more and 60% increase in his investment property. I didn't mention this property actually sold 6 times during the 22 years. So the third buyer, he bought the property 2009 and he sold the property in 2015. He held the property for 6 years and he gained a 35% return on his investment. It is a good investment. So in 6 years, he got the 37% increase on his investment. Wow, investment. This property is going up again. After 2015, market was actually very active. 2015, 16, 17 in Ontario market, it was so strong. So the lucky buyer, when he bought in 2015, he just kept the property for, I think, 2 years. And then he sold on 2017. 2017, he sold 995, almost $1 million. In 2 years, he got the 37% increase on purchase price. So almost 20% a year. Which kind of investment you can invest and get this kind of return, easy return, and without do anything? 2020 came. The first of 2020, January and February, market was crazy. Too hot real estate market. Then the COVID came. The COVID broke everything down. Despite all the pressure of the COVID, this property sold in 2020, $1,050,000, almost 6% more than his purchase price. Again, he didn't lose the money, he gained the money in the bad situation. However, if he kept the property more than 3 years, even 1 year more, he was able to get the more income, more return from this property. This property sold in 2023. Guess how much? This property sold 2 times more than all other properties. So the previous one sold was $1,050,000, but this property sold $2,250,000. How much gained? 115% gain in almost 3 years. Same as the previous owner, he kept the property for 3 years. He gained 6%, but this one gained 115%. So if you don't hold or if you don't keep the property for longer than 5 years, maybe you lose in 1 year, 6 months. You lose them maybe 500,000, 200,000, even million. As you see, it is important how long you keep the property, when you sell it and when you buy it. In this process, you need to talk with the professional. Check the market and also be patient on real estate market. If you like this video, our videos, please subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook.